Hey everybody, this is 930 Kentucky Avenue, Bristol, Tennessee. This is just finished. Acabamos de terminar esta casa aquí en 930 Kentucky Avenue. Y fue un quick flip. This is just $200,000 house. What they wanted to get so far, that's what I know. This is all new with no florets. This is just recently painted. Okay, this is just a quick video. You will love this. Come and check it out for $200,000. I think it's a pretty decent place to start. This is the biggest closet in the room in the house. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1 shower, 1 bath. And this is the kitchen. Got some sort of pantry there. Just gonna show you real quick here from. This is a pretty nice spot to park your cars. A little backyard for your dog. And near here there is a bunch of, well, not a bunch, but there is gas station. Wanna see, gonna show you this, guys. This is the garage. The electric panel is still there because we're gonna go through inspection, which we already know we're gonna pass the inspection. This is, you're gonna have a remote control for that to be able to have all of these. I'm gonna close this real quick. You have a fireplace there. You have a plenty of storage here. Yeah, don't give me ideas. Yay. It's just a basement, of course. And that's it. Let's finish with this one. This is beautiful.